How to create an animated presentation in PowToon. PowToon is a web-based animation software that allows you to quickly and easily create animated presentations by manipulating pre-created objects, imported images, provided music, and user-created voiceovers. PowToon is used by businesses to create engaging creative presentations that capture attention, and it can be similarly used for educational assessment and content delivery. There is a free version available, as well as paid subscription that allows for more features. PowToon can be used by educators to create animated presentation of content for students to view. Educators can also use PowToon as a form of assessment by asking students to create their own animations. Firstly, select your video's design template. Once you've logged into PowToon, hover your pointer over Create to get started. You can preview all the designs and already made PowToons by clicking on the image to show the preview video. Next step is the video creation screen. Click on the three lines to open the menu. This is your scene navigator. You can view and switch between your video scenes here. You can also add new slides and delete ones you don't need. At the very bottom of this column are some controls used during video creation. Flip is the handiest one. It enables you to horizontally flip any element. Second, the canvas is the spot where your video comes together. The timeline is where you control when your video elements appear and disappear, as well as how they enter and leave each scene. Third, add other elements. Next, add your first non-text element to this scene. You can hover over any element to see a larger version. This is especially useful when you are adding animated elements. Once you find an element you want to use, simply click to add it to the canvas. Determine the length of each scene. The more elements you add to a scene, the longer it should be, especially if they appear one after the other, as in the example video. To extend the length of your scene, click on the timelines plus symbol. Complete all the scenes. Use and complete each scene in the same way. The example shows an easy scenario since it only has two scenes. How to add a sound. Next, it's time to add sound to your video. Start by clicking on the sound ink in the gray strip to the far right. Next step is test the video. There are two ways to preview your video. One is by clicking on the play and continue button on the lower left, and the other is by clicking the preview eye link in the top bar. Last step is publish the video. There are two options to publish and download your video. They both take you to the same screen, so feel free to use either one. The option used in the example is export or download. PowToon makes the process of creating, publishing, and sharing your videos easier than ever. Thank you for the attention.